Sharton English Junior, November 1984. Start. Mr. Chairman, I am very glad to take part in this meeting this evening. I thank you very much for your kind welcome. I do not find adequate words to express my gratitude to you for the affection shown to me. I am sorry to have been late. It was on account of the discussions I was having with your president before coming here. I am very happy to have this opportunity of seeing with my own eyes young people from different countries of the world. They are meeting here for the purpose of establishing friendship and cooperation between one another. This is a good experiment. This will definitely help in building peace and friendship among the people in different parts of the world. If the leaders of the world can meet together and discuss things in a friendly and peaceful atmosphere, I have no doubt that most of the international problems could be solved without any difficulty whatsoever. You are the future leaders of your countries, and I wish you every success in carrying the message of peace and friendship from this university to your own countries. I am happy to know that more than 200 students from India are studying in this university. The government of India are grateful to the Soviet Union for having given this opportunity to our students to study in various fields of science and technology at this university. I have every hope that our students will bring credit to themselves, to their country, and to this university. Mr. Chairman, there is tension at present in several parts of the world. The attention of the world is therefore diverted from the path of peace and progress. It is therefore necessary to make special efforts to stress the importance of goodwill and friendship between different countries. It is well known all over the world that our two countries are doing their best in this direction. Everyone knows about that India got freedom through peaceful means. Gandhiji guided India's struggle for freedom. He adopted peaceful methods only and succeeded in getting freedom to our country. The people of India are peace lovers, and we are doing our best to spread the message of peace in all parts of the world. The leaders and people of India and the Soviet Union are working together. I feel your university and similar institutions can play an effective. Letter dated 24th September 1984 from the business manager Messrs. James and Company, Bombay to Mr. K. Raman, 24, Rajaji Road, Madras. Dear Sir, we are in receipt of your letter of the 10th instant informing us of your desire to purchase a suitable land near Bombay for starting a factory. We thank you for the letter. We wish to inform you in this connection that we have made necessary enquiries and obtained details of a land which we hope will be of interest to you. The area of the land is 4,000 square meters and is situated in an industrial area 12 kilometers south of Bombay. It is in an excellent condition and the price offered is very low. We are informed that the owner wishes to dispose of the land quickly. We shall be happy to arrange for an inspection of the land on any day convenient to both of us. Yours faithfully,